not a chair, but it's underneath the chair that you see. I'm going to walk across this whole thing in just a second, Mr. John Holt. This is the Grime Stopper Indoor-Outdoor Mat. It is new this month, which means, what did it debut, like a couple of weeks ago?
So funny.
Oh, well over 19,000 have been ordered since its debut. It is another while supplies last. So very similarly to the Shark, what you're seeing here, we're preventing the grime from even getting into your house, but we brought in as many of these mats as we possibly could. When they're gone, we'll never be able to bring them back in. It's got a nice low profile so you can open the door over it. It's not gonna, you know, get shoved out of the way when you walk on it or when you open the door. And guess what? It's beautiful. 3 different colors for you to choose from. We have the brick, which is almost bordering on a burgundy. We have the tan, which is very neutral in its coloration, the lightest of the 3. We have the hunter green, and we have 2 different sizes. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm walking, and as I'm walking, I'm removing all the grime from the bottom of my feet before I even bring it into the house. $29.98 is your price if you wanna go for the 27 by 45. We do have a 24 by 36 size, but I think, is the green that I think is gone in that one?
The green is gone, yeah.
So yeah, if you wanna get matching sets, go for the brick or go for the tan. Now this is not Don Aslett. A lot of people call you Don
know,
when we get them on the phones. This is John Holt, who's been bringing Don Aslett's products to QVC for years. Good sir, I'm gonna rub elbows since your hands are full. How are you this morning?
Great to be here.
So tell us a little bit about Don Aslett's and why this brand is trusted in the industry.
Well, Don started a cleaning company over 50 years ago with a few friends from college to pay for tuition. Grew into America's largest cleaning corporation called Varsity Contractors. We have over 5,000 employees. We get contracts to do universities, malls, banks, grocery stores, many state buildings. The first thing we do when we get a contract to clean a building is we mat every single entrance to that building.
Right.
This has been Don's #1 cleaning secret for well over 50 years now. If you stop the dirt at the door, you don't have to bring it out. If it doesn't go in, you don't take out the dirt.
Right.
So now everybody's walked across these mats without even realizing them. Every time you go to a grocery store or a bank, even the QVC building here, they're commercial mats and they look commercial. This is a commercial mat, but it doesn't look commercial.
Looks pretty.
We made this design exclusively for QVC. We made the mold. Now, basically, the back of it is a non-slip rubber. You can see all these little rubber nubs on here.
So you're not going to kick it out of the way when you're back before
That
you
keeps
walk
the
on
mat stationary while you dry your feet off. Then we bonded these polyfibers to the rubber. It doesn't fade, it doesn't shed, it's stain resistant. When you put this in front of your door, you've got something substantial. Now, basically, I'll show you what a commercial mat looks like, which is right here. It works, but it doesn't look very good. You don't want this sitting in front of your beautiful house, okay?
Right.
So what we've done is we've changed it to this nice little circular pattern.
It's like a medallion in the
little
center.
medallion with the scroll around the outside of it. Now, there's another reason for the pattern, not just for the looks, it's for function. I'm gonna take a little bit of water here. I'm gonna oversaturate the very center of this mat.
Right.
Now, you see what's happening. All of the moisture that I just sprayed is going to the bottom, the low parts. So when the next person stands on the high parts here, you're basically standing on a dry mat. All this starts to dry. Now, eventually the water will wick off of the low spots.
Right.
So, and as you walk across it, the dirt comes off your feet, stays on the mat. You can use your vacuum to clean it when it's dirty. If you're using this outside, you can use your garden hose to squirt it off, let it dry, put it back in front of your door.
And this could be kids with wet rain boots. This
Sure.
could be a dog that you just let outside to go to the bathroom. This could be any of that wetness that's outside. The snow, oh my gosh, when you come in and the snow and the salt and you're like, how did my hardwood floors all of a sudden now start to look dull and gray and white? It's all that stuff that you're tracking in. So if you put this at all of your entrances, you don't have to clean as much because the dirt is trapped there.
Well, here's a great way of saying it. Over the course of a year, there's 40 pounds of dirt that enters your home, and it's mostly coming in on your feet and on your pet's feet. Simply by matting every single entrance to your building with this great looking mat, by the way, is gonna cut your cleaning in half. So we're basically, you're gonna have to sweep less, vacuum less, and mop less.
Not to mention a lot of that grime and that sand and that salt and everything that comes in can damage your floors over the long term. So this is just going to help to preserve the life of your floors as well. Which did you say, Erica, was the most limited choice? Okay, tan is the most popular choice but I wouldn't wait on the hunter green option because I do believe in the smaller size, the 24 by 36. The hunter green is already gone. I think the next to go would probably in the smaller size be that brick color.
Yeah.
So I would grab, if you need the two different sizes.
Yeah,
because
here's the
smaller
smaller
is
size.
24 by 36. The larger is 27 by 45. So if you want to coordinate maybe coming in from a deck outside and then the front door, or you have a back door and a front door and you want them to sort of make the house cohesive, definitely go for the brick or the tan wall. We have those.
Now, how many people have bought these before? You know, once they're wet and soggy, they stay that way forever. They start to deteriorate.
The fibers come off.
The fibers come off and all the moisture goes right through it, whatever surface it's on. And this is way too thick to put inside your door. Let me show you the profile of our mats. Now, we know most people are going to use these inside, but your door has to be able to swing over it. So it can't be an inch thick. Your door is only about a 1/4 inch coming off the ground.
Sure.
So this is less than a 1/4 inch, which allows the door, any door, to swing right over it. So you can see our rubber backing with those little nubs, which is non-slip. And then we bonded these polyfibers. For anybody that has our microfiber towels.
Yes.
Okay, which is a lot of people at QVC.
I do.
It's basically the same fibers. This gets moisture off of a surface. This gets moisture off of your feet. Get the idea? Stop the dirt at the door. Now, this is the average size of a cocoa mat that you buy in a store. Even our small mat, which isn't very small, is much larger than an average size cocoa mat.
So you're just naturally covering more surface area.
Exactly.
Okay,
So
here's my question. So if someone's got a mud room, or in my house we sort of have, it's like the laundry room, but it's kind of a side way to get into the house.
Yeah.
What if I can't fit it the wide way?
Okay, well back here, here's your guy's kitchen door here. Now, if this is your mud room, you simply want to put it lengthwise so that when you come in or out, you have to take a couple of steps across it.
Nice.
Okay?
So as you're walking, it's doing the work.
Exactly. You know, kids don't sit there and do this, so you want to put it so they take a few extra steps across. The same with your pets, because they walk in with 4 dirty feet, not just 2.
That's right. Okay? And no matter what you tell them, they don't even know what you're talking about in terms of cleaning their feet. So if you even want to get a couple of these, let's say you have a longer hallway that's like one of those side entrances from the garage, you could get 2 of them and line the whole floor with it. The more steps you take, the more dirt, the more moisture is going to come off your shoes before you get into the house. And you may even want to actually leave your shoes on the mat and they don't even have to touch the floor.
Yeah, and you know, we say these are indoor-outdoor mats, which, you know, most people are going to use them indoors, but if you want to use them outdoors, if you have a hot tub, you know what it's like to step out with wet feet on slippery concrete?
Yep.
This could be a lifesaver, okay? Now, here's a side entrance that's under a covered porch. Put some flowers on each side of it. You have a covered porch on the side. Look at this. I mean, just wipe your feet off. Imagine that going in your house.
Yep.
How many times do you come in and out? And there it is inside. You see how the door swings right over it? If you put one of those scatter mats in front of your door, like this one right here,
that's ridiculous.
It scatters.
That's
okay?
more work than it is help,
yeah,
really.
and the door just knocks it out of the way. With our mat, it easily glides over it, the non-slip backing. And again, you could have 20 kids at home that come in with muddy feet. Take this outside, use your garden hose, blast the dirt and the mud off of it, or inside, it's not going to get so dirty. There's the garden hose there.
You just hose it off.
Or you can hose it off.
It's a quick, dry kind of material.
Yeah, and if it's not that dirty, because you have a blacktop driveway with a nice wooden deck, you're not going to get that much dirt in your house.
Right.
But you can just vacuum it off on the inside. It's easy to clean. They're stain resistant, fade resistant.
And they're pretty.
Exactly.
I mean, they will probably beautify that area anyway. I get those high-end magazines at my house that have things that look very similar to this, and the price is not anywhere near under $30, and that's for the larger of the 2 mats. It's about $24 for the smaller of the 2 mats. So I need to explain something. While supplies last, what does that mean? That means we went directly to Don Aslitz and we said, guys, bring in as many of these brilliant, beautiful mats as you can because we want to get the price down. The more you bring in, the lower we can make the price. But instead of marking the price up, we've actually passed the savings on to you, but that's only while our quantities are in the building. When it's gone, we will never be able to bring this particular mat with this design and everything into QVC again. Now, what was the dark?
Okay,
was
that was
mud?
QVC parking lot mud that I brought in this morning. Now, I wish I had a garden hose here because that's how you're going to clean it at home, but I don't have a garden hose in your beautiful kitchen here. So I just used a pitcher of water. All the mud came off. Yes, it's wet, but that's going to dry in about 30 or 40 minutes.
Right.
You just throw it back in front. Like if you have a dirt driveway, you're going to get that much mud on it. But imagine that much mud coming into your house. Like I said, over the course of a year, 40 pounds of that dirt can enter your home. Stop it at the door. You don't have to bring it, if you don't bring it in, you don't have to bring it out.
And you don't have to clean as
Exactly.
much. So let me just go over the colors right before we go to the phones.
Sure.
So The one in the center is the tan. That
Yeah,
is the
right here.
lightest of all of the choices. That's the one that is the most neutral if you want it to almost maybe more blend in with your house. But we have the two richer colors. We call it brick, but it almost borders on a burgundy. It's a very rich tone. We have both sizes, the larger 27 by 45, the smaller 24 by 36. We also have both sizes in the tan. You can see that we have the hunter green over on the side, but the smallest size, I believe, has already disappeared in that hunter
has,
green,
yeah.
which means we're not going to be reordering that. So if you want a matched set in different sizes, you got to go for the tan or the brick while we still have those. We've got Teresa from Pennsylvania who's going to chat with us early on this Sunday morning. Teresa, this is John and my name is Sharon. How are you today?
Hi, Sharon. I'm great. It's wonderful to say hello to you.
Hi, Teresa.
It's
Good morning.
to say hello to you. So what's happening in your life, Teresa? Are you have you experienced any of these types of mats from Don Aslets before?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
No, but I have one in front of my entranceway that just slides all over the place every time I walk on it. And this one is so very pretty. I thought I've seen it before and didn't order it, but I thought today's the day to order it.
Wow, I'm really glad that you did because you know what, Teresa? When I go to just my local home stores, just the local stores that are around, mats are expensive for nothing really that special out in the marketplace. And everything about this is special and it's pretty. And I feel like the price is comparable to what's out there.
Exactly.
I agree. Very nice.
What was the color that you bought, my dear?
I chose tan because it sort of blends in with my carpet.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a
nice.
neutral color, sure.
So you're going to put it inside the home, right inside the door?
Yes, right
Okay.
inside the door. Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, you know, some people put them in front of their sink and in front of their stove. You know, if you have pets, this is a really great idea to put the dog dishes on it. Because I have a boxer that, you know, when he walks away from the bowl, it's like a trail of water. So this absorbs it, and there's hardwood underneath it. And the rubber backing doesn't let the moisture get through it, so it
That's
protects your
brilliant.
floors.
Yeah.
You know, if you get a mat that doesn't have a backing on it, like this one here, that I have behind me, this is going to let all the moisture get through, and your floor is going to get soaked, and if it's hardwood, it'll ruin your hardwood. But here, the size of our mat, 1, 2, 3,
look at that.
basically it's 4 times larger
Teresa,
than these mats.
Which size did you get, the larger or the smaller size?
Larger one, the larger. And those that he's showing looks like all the ones that I've tried.
Well,
to
Yeah, all the
this
ones
is
that
what
are
you
out
buy in
there.
the store. These are not commercial quality. This is a commercial looking mat. This is a commercial quality mat that looks beautiful,
That looks
though.
pretty. Teresa, I'm really pleased you're trying this from Don Aslets for the very first time because I've been using this brand myself for years. My parents had the old Daisy mats that they
Yes,
used.
yeah,
Still,
that
they
was
still
us.
have that. I think that mat is probably 40 years old and it still works. So Teresa,
Wow.
please, if you have a chance to leave a review on QVC.com, we would honestly love to know your thoughts.
All right, I'll do that, and I really, I'm looking forward to getting it.
Thank you, Teresa, so much. I hope you enjoyed the new mat.
And you have a nice day, both of you.
Bye,
Thank you. You do
Teresa.
the same.
Happy cleaning.
Bye-bye. Or happy not cleaning,
Well,
as the case may
exactly, yeah.
be, because you won't have to clean quite as much when you put these mats at the door. The tan, the brick, or the hunter green. And just explain the moisture once again, why
Okay,
this is
sure.
important.
Now, here, I'll just take this picture of water here, because if it's raining, you know, you got 10 people coming inside, wet feet. What happens to all the moisture here? You can see how it just wicks
Just keeps
right
absorbing
in.
it.
And you can see all these lines up here. They're starting to dry already. This is where your feet are going to hit on the high spots of the mat. The moisture that's down here is going to evaporate over time.
But the
34
rubberized backing means it's not going through to the floor
Nothing's
underneath.
going through to the floor. And the absorbency of this mat, I can hold this up and it's not pouring off. These mats will hold almost a gallon of water before it's completely saturated.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Kids, muddy boots, little puppy and cat paws that come into your house.